Leke, ngixolele wena sithanda sehliziyo yami. Yewuhlale phasi uthule uyilalele bekube semaphethelweni. Ithi, is it you? Cause I am. Is it you, the one I was dreaming, hoping of? The one who will love me? The one who will make me shine? Shine like diamonds and stars? The one who will be there for me? There for me in good times and bad times? The one ozongihlonipha? If you are not, kuba yini kanti? Cause I am. I am the one who will make you smile ngaso sonke isikhathi. The one who will take your dark days to the lightness, to belovedness. Baby, ngitloba lisidi la gago. Inkinga zakho kuzokuba ngezami. If you care, I will too. I will be by your side, right or wrong. I'm raising your flag too. I'll give you love, joy, and happiness. Ngizokuchachulula inhluthu nawuthandako. Iye ngizokuphathaphatha inhluthu ngikukame nestayela. Ngizokuhamba ngikubambe ngedini mihla ngamalanga nangikhamba nawe. Baby, phakathi kwabo bonke labo gele la ekasi, unguye ozokutshayela ikusheshe umbethe izinto zakhona ngamahill. I'll be your photographer. Nakanjani, I will love taking you pics. Unehliziyo, I respect you. Isithunzi sakho, nobuhle bakho. I'll be with you when times are hard. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ngizohlala ngikuthanda. Ayikho into engangiphula ihliziyo njengokubona utseka inyembezi. Baby, I wanna celebrate each and every moment nawe. Baby, ungamangali angizenzi uyangenza. Baby, ungifikele uyangenzela. Baby, angisahoni nokuziphatha. Baby, nakhibe ikhona into engidalele yona, ngidalele ukuthandana nawe, ngidalele ukuba nawe empilweni yami yonke. Baby, ku-engagement ring ayisasebenzi, kusebenza inkomo nabomalume. We-IT yothando, you hacked konke kwami. You are in control emizweni yami. Baby, ngiyakuthanda begodu angizisoli ngalokho. You are all I need. Mina nganelisekile kuwe. For now I know ukuthi unguye engimthandako, unguye engifuna ukuba naye empilweni yami yonke. Maoditshaba, my queen, sithanda sehliziyo yami. I'm glad usithanda sami. Ihliziyo yami imhlophe itwa ngenxa yakho. Ngizizwa ngikhululekile emoyeni ngenxa yakho. I wanna last kuwe, my lifetime achievement, my success. Iqiniso lihle begodu liyafuneka. Izwa lesinye ukuthi girl, you drive me crazy, meant nothing kimi until I set my eyes upon you. Njeke kumele ukuthi ngitsho, mrazana uyangihlanyisa, uyangihaphisa, unguye engimthandako. Ungivule amehlo, wenze isengi yaba nesensi kimi. Umntazana omuhle, onethando, nobuntu bakho buyamangaza. Ngengqondweni uvuthiwe, abantazana abanjengawe bambalwa. Ngiyazikhakhazisa ngawe. Girl, I'm not trying to charm you either way. I'm just dating lokhu engikubonako kuwe. Ngitsho ngendlela engizizwa ngayo kuwe. I'm being real kuma-feelings wami, nangaphandle kwamagama ami engiwatsho kuwe. Usesemuhle. I'm so grateful. From Genesis till the end, I'll be with you. I will fight your battles. I will stand for you. You worth it kimi dear. Ngiyakuthanda mntazana. Yobe sithanda sehliziyo yami. Is it you? Cause I am.